G'day guys, thanks for checking out Mitsubishi Outlander we have here. This one here is in stunning condition. As you can see, it's got the fog lights, daytime running lights, projector headlights, and is in excellent condition in that white paintwork. Alloy wheels, colour-coded mirrors, and this one also has tinted windows. This one is a four-wheel drive. The cloth trim is in excellent condition throughout. This one is in a 5-seater variant. Coming through in the back of this car, it's in great condition, centre armrest. And as you can see through the front there, leather wrapped steering wheel. Look, and it does have the rear parking sensors. Coming through in the back, plenty of storage through the back here, all underneath. You've also got a power socket, 3 child restraints, and those seats fold completely flat. Really versatile in the boot space. Coming through down the side, it's in great condition. And inside the vehicle, you've got, this one does have the safety pack. And what that means, it has adaptive cruise control, and you do have your lane departure warning and assist. This one's travelled with 76,000 Ks, dual zone climate control, automatic transmission, and you got your 4-wheel drive button down here. We look forward to speaking to you soon.